Hello everyone and welcome to Eneur, the Entrepreneurship cell of Kirori College. It is an honest attempt of some headstrong and hankering students working since 2019 to promote and popularize entrepreneurship sentiments and elements into the masses and the youth. I, Salim Khan, functioning as president of the Entrepreneurship cell, Kirori College.
And I am Ashna Sharma, serving as the Vice President for the cell. Eneur's vision is to provide an amalgamation of innovation and leadership combined with risk-taking ventures driven by pragmatism.
And our mission is to foster entrepreneurial culture, supporting budding entrepreneurs, and also delivering solutions to the current problems. Hello, myself is Shali Sarangi, and currently I am serving as the General Secretary of Eneur.
My name is Alusha Arora, working as Joint Secretary of the cell, keeping our goal of skill enhancement at the top of our minds. Eneur here aims to foster skills, values, leadership, innovation, and distinction among the building entrepreneurs.
And I am Bableen Kaur, functioning as the student coordinator. What we provide is not just a mere series of live sessions, but a magnificent opportunity for budding entrepreneurs to learn from the best.
The cell offers students a variety of chances to learn from and develop into successful business people, helping them carve out a space for themselves in the competitive business world. Eneur is the proud host of Debut the Entrepreneur and Envision, which are the two of the most engaging entrepreneurship events with impressive participation across all seminars and workshops. We host some of the most decorated speakers from diverse industries. As we dive deeper into illuminating discussions on essential yet largely unexamined topics, which spreads across the entrepreneurial world like green entrepreneurship, mindset of an entrepreneur, and many more, while pushing the brightest minds to their limits via intricate business quizzes. Our further plans includes a series of more such sessions for the betterment of the entrepreneurial world. We also aim to plan a startup fair, which will serve as a platform for the upcoming entrepreneurs to showcase their ideas. And last but not the least, live projects, which helps us stand apart from the crowd. This is what Eneur is, a dedicated team with ambitions in their eyes towards the betterment of the world and accomplishing entrepreneurial goals.